Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best fire tables in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Legacy Heating Fire Pit Table. In comparison to all other fire table options in this article, Legacy Heating is one of the cheapest options that still manages to offer a lot of handy features to its users. This heating fire table is present in the first position in this article as it has the lowest price tag here, making it a great option for buyers on a budget. Even though it has a lower price tag, you still get a few accessories with it, including a table lid that results in a high value for money. Unlike most other budget options, this one offers a high heating capacity of 48,000 BTU. Talking about the build quality, it has decent strength while looking great with the help of its steel panel and rocks on the top. Unfortunately, the 28-inch size rating offered by it might be quite small for a lot of users out there. Number 2. Our second best pick is Max Fire Pit Table. Those of you who want a comparatively safe and secure fire table for their patio, Max can be a great pick since most of its options offer various handy features for safety. This fire table is present in the second position in this article as it is the safest and most secure option present in this article. It is one of the only options out there that comes with CSA certification for extra safety. Other than that, it offers a unique glass windguard for the tabletop. While it is made for protecting the flame from wind, it also prevents any accidents with the fire. Moving over to its performance, you get a pretty high heating capacity of 50,000 BTU in this model that should be more than enough. As for the size rating, even though the 32-inch size is quite decent for the given price, some users out there might want more. Number 3. Our third best pick is Outland Living Fire Table. Outland Living is popular for developing outdoor heating solutions to help you keep warm. The brand manufactures a wide range of products including propane fire pits, wood fire pits, camp stoves, torches, fire tables, and relevant accessories. This fire table features a stainless steel burner that delivers a high heat capacity of 50,000 BTU to provide warmth to your surroundings. There is a chrome manual control valve for 100% smoke-free variable flame height. The fire table features a 20 pounds propane tank that is located on the interior but can be accessed conveniently. The fire table has a durable construction with a high resistance to heat. The wicker is made of UV high-density polyethylene that can resist harsh weather. The base is sturdy with an aluminum frame construction coated with a special powder for maximum durability. The rectangular fire table measures 44 by 32 by 24, allowing more people to sit around it and bask in the warmth. There is a pre-attached 3-foot hose with regulator and an 8mm black tempered glass tabletop. You also get a 10 pounds Arctic Ice decorative glass rock set. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Endless Summer Fire Table. Endless Summer is one of the most popular brands of products like fire pits and fire tables that makes for a great pick for your patio because of the features offered by it. This fire table is a great option for a lot of users out there since it offers a great performance to the user. Just like most other options out there, this one also offers a heating capacity of 50,000 BTU thanks to its stainless steel burner that is integrated inside it. And for the given size of 36 inches, that is quite decent for most users out there. As you would expect from most other fire table units out there, this one also offers a 1-year-long warranty to the user. Unfortunately, its build quality is on the average side and could have been better for the given price tag. Thankfully, you do get a classy-looking design with it that goes great with most patio setups out there. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is BALI Outdoors Fire Pit Table. Just per its name, BALI Outdoors is known for making products intended for outdoor usage that makes for a great option for users looking for additions to their patios. This propane fire table uses a propane gas tank for powering its flame that is the same as all other options in this article. This allows it to offer a high heating capacity of 50,000 BTU that is more than enough for most users out there. In fact, its burner unit comes with a CSA certification that makes it quite safe and secure compared with other options out there. While you get handy safety certifications along with a great build quality, its 32-inch size can be a bit small for a lot of users. Thankfully, you do get a 1-year-long warranty is what you would expect from any other fire table model out there. Another great thing about it is that it comes with ice glass rocks in the middle that offer great aesthetics from the burner unit. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.